Hi everyone, welcome back, and today is the 17th of May 2021, and there's a lot of options that expired last Friday, and so today is a Monday, and I'm looking to sell some option, and we can see that I have a lot of options that I can sell: American Airlines, Apple, AMD, and so forth. Those that I have more than 100 shares, so I can start to rent out the stock. But we can see that some of the stock that my traded price is at 92 for AMD, and right now the current market is at 74. So let's take a look at this stock, AMD. So if I'm looking into 2 weeks option, and if I want to sell the 92 strike, then we can see that is really not much premium to be able to collect. Even at the 91 strike, then we are only going to collect about 8 cents or $8. Of course, to me, I would rather sell it than do nothing on it. So there's two choices that I can do right now. One is that I continue to sell it at 8 cents, which is $8, and just collect the premium on it, so I wouldn't have to worry about the stock going up beyond my strike price. Or the other option is that I have to go 1 month out. Let's say I'm going into June. If I go into June and a 92 put, then I'll be able to fetch a little bit more. Or the third option is that I'm going to sell nearer. So for the next Friday expiry, if I'm looking to sell, let's say the 84 strike, then I will be able to collect about 18 or 19 cents, looking at the current bid and ask. So if I were to do that and the market run up, then I would have the risk of the stock being called away at 84, and that is not really what I want. But when that happens, let's say if AMD were to go up to $80, then I will start to roll out this option into further out. When that happens, I can roll out the option to 4th of June or 11th of June at a higher strike. So that is one of the way, and I think I prefer to do it this way. But by doing it this way and selling the 84 strike when the market is at 75 or 74, then I have to be more alert to the stock, because when they start to run up, I have to roll my option. If not, I'll get called out. Of course, I've been selling AMD for a couple of times, so my average price for AMD is definitely less than 92, but I still don't want to get called out at 84. That is not my objective. So I'm going to sell the option for all this. Let's say for American Airlines, the current mark to market is 22.50, and the trade price is, my traded price is at 24, so that's fine. I think American Airlines I can still sell at 24. Like for Apple, 136 right now is at 125. I can sell at 134. That wasn't an issue. So let me do up my trade first, and I will come back again. Okay, so now that I have sell all the contract, we can see that the American Airlines, I sell the 24 call, which is the same as my traded price, so I wouldn't worry about this. Then Apple, I was selling the 132, although my Apple I traded price was 136, but I think that is fine because I collected a few rounds of it, and if Apple really were to go up, I have the option to roll it out. Then for FSR, I sell it at 15, that's fine. Blink, I sell it at 37.5, I think this one is fine. Fubo 27 is fine. Now AMD, I sell it the 84.5 strike when AMD is currently at 74. I have to watch out for this because I don't want to get called out at 84.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set an alert for AMD so that if AMD were to go up within the next 2 weeks, I want to roll out this option higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it at 80. The mark is at or above 80, so this is what I'm going to set. So by setting this alert, then I'll get an email when AMD trade above 80. So when I get an email within the day or the next day, I'm going to roll out the option higher. So that's it. And Nio, because Nio was currently at 33, I think. Nio is currently, yes, at 33, and I sell at 41, so I really don't want to get called out at 41. So same thing, I'm going to set an alert for Nio when it is around 38. And then for Peloton 2, I'm going to set an alert for Peloton. So I have set 3 alert for 3 stock because I don't want to get called out too early. So I'm going to set the alert for Peloton at 108. So for TSM, even though I have purchased the stock at 122.51 and right now it's at 109, although my call is at 119, I'm fine with it. I mean, if I get called at 119, that's fine. So I don't want to set an alert for that. I only set the alert for something that I really want to watch, because if I were to set the alert for all this stock, then I will be getting a lot of alert I don't want. So I only want something that is important, the alert that is important to me, that so that if I receive that alert, it means that I have to do something about it. And if you watch my previous video, I don't actually sell below my strike price, so I didn't worry about it. I didn't set any of this alert, but right now I'm selling it a lot of call below my strike price, so I want to set the alert. So from here we can see the alert. So these are the 3 stocks that I really want to watch it, AMD, Nio and Peloton, because I'm selling pretty close and far away from my purchase price. So these are the stocks that I want to watch out for. So let's do a calculation on how much premium did I get to collect for this round. Okay, let's try to see how much did I manage to collect this round. So the first one was 0.33, then we have 0.27. Then for the next one, this one PLTR, I have 2 contracts of it, so that will be 20 cents. And then the Nio, I have also 2 contracts of it, so, and then I have the AMD, followed by the next one, and then we have Blink at 29 cents, and then FSR, I got 5 contracts for this, so, and then I got Apple at 39 cents, and then the last one I have American Airlines at 30 cents. So this is the amount that I collected for this week, $3.03. So that's about $300. I think that is pretty alright. So I will keep doing that until the stock eventually recover for all this. If not, then I will keep repeating the strategy again and again. But of course, now that the stock has dropped quite a fair bit down, so I have to watch the stock more closely than before. I mean, before I'm selling at the trade price, so I don't have to watch it so much. So now I have to be more alert. But anyway, I've set those alerts, so I think that's fine. If there's anything, I will receive an alert. So that's all for today's video, and I thank you all for staying with me. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. I will see you on the next update.